Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Knowsley Council tax account. For this, what you need to do is guys, just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Knowsley Council tax login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link knowsleystranslation.medixcloud.com. Click on that link. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now you will be taken to the new interface, which is login page. Scroll down a bit and over here you need to enter your username. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on show button to see your password. And once you click on sign in button, then you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgotten your password. Then you will be easily recover your password. If you don't have any account of Knowsley Council tax, just click on register for an account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.